The other benefit
Niretana kuri mbeu njithi metikire gukeyumiria na namba nene hindi ya woyani wa ruhonge rwa NYS arita njira imwe ya kwigwatira kothi iria ikumahotithia kwirugamirira miturire-ini. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria tabarira ya mathomo megie uruti wira wa muingi, County Commissioner wa Nyandarua Boaz Cherutich nioritie aciari kuhinyiriria ciana ciao kwiyandikithia ruhonge-ini ruru.
In order to address the issue of unemployment in the county, the national government, through a number of agencies and other departments, is embarking on ensuring that we implement programs which will reduce the rate of unemployment in the county. And therefore, one way of trying to address this is to get to know the gaps which are there.
Mwena-ini wake afitha kuma ruhonge-ini rwa tabarira cia uthii wa nambere Francis Wanyeki ni ahinyiriirie mbeu njithi kuoya mieke ya mawira iria iri kuo mateguthutukania.
As part of the government Big Four agenda, then we are going to be able to say, do we have people who have skills relevant, especially for the manufacturing, to drive the manufacturing agenda? Because we are talking about Big Four, but what will drive the Big Four? It is not the money. It is the skills.
Ona kuri uguo mbeu njithi ni moritio meteanirie muhuhu ati ruhonge rwa NYS ruingiragwo ni andu aria maguire kigerio gia KCSE.